Hey friends, Greg here with the Pennywise guys. Today I'm going to show you a solar structure we built that's dual purpose for a patio as well as a solar. This is a concept video. It'll be really short to show you what you can do on placing it next to your home. Let's get started. Alright, I'm going to give you a real quick overview on this structure. We have a 30 panel solar system that's being used as a patio cover, and it overlaps the roof about a foot. So that really does a nice job of rain protection, and we've got the gutter there so you don't have rain pouring down. This is a sealed panel system. Check out other videos. You'll see about our shared rail system, how they work and how we seal them off. And they're pretty watertight. Yeah, we got six posts on this one. Very small system. 4x4 posts, 4x6 headers, and in the ground about 5 feet. But you can see what they're using the patio for. They got a new granddaughter, almost 3 years old, 2.5, 3 years old, and she's out here having a blast on the back patio, protected by the sun and elements. And they got a chair and table set up there if the adults will have fun watching the grandchild play. And I got a good garden over there. They're doing something under the shade there. Looks like a cactus garden or something like that. So this is just a real neat setup for them. They're getting good solar production. They typically have no true-up bill, but since it's grandchild, it's gone up a little bit with more usage. But they're very happy with what they have. And having a back patio, which they've never had before, really adds a lot of benefit to their lifestyle. And as you can see, with the new little one, lots of area to play and safe and out of the dirt. Alright, I hope this helps to see if maybe you can do a patio structure, but check out other videos on how to build these things. I'm going to be doing my next structure. I'm going to videotape the whole process from A to Z and show you step by step how to build one. Alright, you guys have a blessed day. I sure hope you enjoyed this video and it was a help to you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Also hit that notification bell to be notified of weekly videos. I pray that you are blessed and that you know Him who is the author of life.